Math technique number 2. This is for physics method 1. I had 3 equations. Let's start out with the 3 equations. A plus B plus C equals 0. I'm assuming you've seen math technique number 1 for this, and so you understand what A, B, and C are. Then I have 38 minus 9A plus 4B equals 0. And then 47 plus 4B minus 9C equals 0. Substitution is I need to combine like things. And so I'm going to slightly rearrange these. I'm going to get it so that the terms with it variables are on one side, terms without variables on the other. This equation right here stays A plus B plus C equals 0. This one right here, 9A plus 4B equals negative 38, bringing that over. And then here I have 4B minus 9C equals negative 47. I'm trying to combine things so that they simplify. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this top equation by 9. And so I have 9A plus 9B plus 9C equals 0. I'm going to take the second equation here, negative 9A plus 4B equals negative 38. And then I add the two equations together. The whole point is to get rid of an unknown. So now I have 9A and a negative 9A. That cancels out. So I'm left with 13B plus 9C is equal to negative 38. Combining it with that one right here. And it works out quite nicely because I do have the two automatically set up like that. So I have 4B minus 9C equals negative 47. Does not always work out as nicely as that, but it happened to. Here's why it worked out so nicely, is the fact that that is equal to the sum of those two. And that's just coincidence. So as I add these together, I end up with 17B is equal to the sum of those two, negative 85. And so B is equal to negative 5, which is what we had before. Since I'm sticking with this method sort of in a somewhat pure form, now that I have B, actually I can just use this equation right here. So I have negative 9A plus 4 times negative 5 is equal to negative 38. Negative 9A minus 20 is equal to negative 38. Everything has a negative sign, so let's just go ahead and get rid of that. Bringing this over, 9A is equal to 18, A equals 2. And then for the last one, I can just use that equation or that equation, either one. But 2 plus negative 5 plus C equals 0. C is equal to 3. And those are the numbers we had before. Please refer to the other video for actual proper notation in terms of the answers.